Can quantum physics make humans shrink or grow like Ant-Man? Reality or just science fiction? Imagine this. You hold a full-sized car in your hand and in the blink of an eye, it shrinks into a tiny toy. Or you stand in a room and suddenly your height reaches the sky. In Marvel's Ant-Man, we see exactly this. An ordinary human shrinking to the size of an ant or growing into a giant within seconds. But the real question is this actually possible? Can quantum physics really give us this power? This question may sound bizarre, but it is incredibly fascinating because quantum physics contains some laws that go beyond our everyday understanding. But can these laws be used to alter our size like Ant-Man? Let's uncover the truth. Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. We bring you exciting and informative videos like this. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any new and valuable content. Watch the video till the end and share your thoughts with us in the comments.
Welcome to U.S.A. Science Lab. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel with your friends to join us on this incredible journey of discovery. Stay curious and keep exploring.
1. Is it really possible to change size? The mysterious magic of quantum physics. Quantum physics tells us that everything in the universe is made of fundamental particles, subatomic particles, that can exist in multiple places simultaneously, disappear and reappear elsewhere, and even transform into energy. However, when it comes to shrinking or enlarging an entire human being, things get complicated. Atomic limits. Everything is made up of atoms, and atoms have a fixed size limit. To forcibly shrink them, the space between their subatomic particles, electrons, protons, neutrons, would need to be reduced, which contradicts the known laws of physics. Quantum state change. Some particles at the quantum level can change their state, but altering an entire body at once is nearly impossible. Mechanical barriers. Even if atoms could be compressed at the quantum level, would your brain, heart, and muscles still function properly? That's a major challenge. 2. The biggest obstacle to shrinking: controlling atomic forces. Suppose we want to shrink a human to the size of an ant. That would require reducing the distance between all their atoms. But there's a huge problem: atomic bonds. Atoms are held together by strong chemical bonds. If we forcibly compressed these bonds, molecules would lose their structure, disrupting the body's entire system. Quantum tunneling risk. When particles get too close, they can suddenly jump to another location, quantum tunneling, potentially altering physical structure. Nuclear fission danger. If atoms are compressed too much, nuclear forces might tear them apart, leading to an explosive reaction. 3. The dream of growing bigger. Can a human actually become a giant? Now let's look at the other side. What if a human were to grow 100 times their normal size? It might seem possible, but reality presents several challenges. Weight and bone structure. As your size increases, your weight increases exponentially. According to the square cube law, if your height increases 10 times, your weight increases 1,000 times. In that case, your bones and muscles wouldn't be able to support the extra weight, and you'd collapse under your own mass. Blood circulation challenges. As the body enlarges, the heart must work much harder to pump blood throughout the body. But our natural heart isn't powerful enough to sustain such a large structure. Cognitive limitations. The neurons in the brain function at a certain speed. If the body grows too large, signals would take longer to travel, causing difficulties in thinking and movement. Could this be possible in the future? Science is advancing every day. What seems like science fiction today could become reality tomorrow. Maybe one day, we will discover principles in quantum physics that work like Pym particles, giving us the ability to shrink or grow at will. For now, the magic of Ant-Man is limited to movies, but who knows? In the future, we might actually be able to change our size,